Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 88 of Building the Ecto-1. We're continuing from last time with the door. We've got the window from even before that, which we need to fix. But first of all, we need to tidy up the bits that I've got in this pack. Move them all back a bit so we can do what we're doing. We've got two little washery places. They're both the same. OB. All right. Why are they different? One's round, one's got flattened sides. So we need the flattened side. Which is which? Let's double check the instructions. A is the flattened side, yes. So that's the first one that I need to fix. That goes onto the handle, which is not that one, it's this handle. That's got a flattened side. So that goes through there, like that. That goes onto it. Again, getting it the right way round. Only bayonet on one way round, like that. And then that one will go on there as well. So we need the UP for that in a minute. KM initially for that one to go into the handle. So that one goes in there like that. Ensure the handle is still ready to turn. Yeah, that'll do that. That's moving the whole thing. All good stuff. Get that tightened up again in a minute. I need to get it tightened up now because I might not be able to get to it in a minute. There we go. Then we're going to need two of these. One of them for that other gear, just in there. You can't really see it against the black, but there we go. That's where it's going to go. One in there like that. That will hold all that together. And that will enable the window to go up and down as that is turned. Seems to be catching in a couple of places, but that's yeah, I think that might not be in there quite right. Let me get that back apart and see why that's not going together. And then I'll attach the window onto there like so. Anyway, after that, I need to bring in the rest of the door, which I've got down here. So we'll see about getting that attached into the door afterwards as well. Okay, I got so excited with the window, I forgot about the, I assume the door catch. So let's get that fitted first. That goes on there like so. Get the door handle on it. So that will just go in there like that. So I can get that screw in that hole. Around there, but not quite there. There we go. So that is that now on there. So we've got a door handle on the inside there. So that I've attached in and loosened a couple of the screws so it does turn. Window mechanisms on all of these kits I've not been having much luck with. They're all a little bit rough, but I'm never going to be using them, so I'm not overly concerned. I brought back in the door from last time, so now we need to get that on there. That needs to sort of slide in from the bottom. It out was a bit of a pain, so getting it back in is going to be equally a bit of a pain. Especially now it's attached to the inside. So that's going to go in there a bit like that. We'll slide all the way up. Almost there. Get it over that bit of the inside bit of the frame. There we go. Should be about it. Get to the underneath of it to push because the frame's in the way. Oh, there you go. Turn it around, that makes it a bit easier. There we go. So that's that there. Get it all lined up, all put together a bit like that. But the window goes up and down at least a bit. And that is held in place with these 4 screws, 2 of the longer ones at the top in the plastic. There, and there. One. And 2 down the bottom. Not quite lined up because I think I missed one of the holes. Something there's not quite right. Look, I'll get that installed. Then we just need to pop in the little lock piece on the outside that I've not done yet. Then I need to attach this to the frame. There was one more thing apart from getting it all attached and putting the door button in there. The 2 silver trim pieces just push in place on there, finishing off the inside of the door. So I have, from the lower part of the chassis, already removed the door switch. Nice that all of the doors have got switches on them, but actually this is probably the first time I've done a car that's got rear doors. That's interesting. So let me see what I can do about bringing in the rest of it and getting the switch and indeed the door installed. Right, here we go. This is the main body. Obviously we've got the other door that we've already attached. We need the switch to go into there. So that just goes in there and the wires sort of double up behind it and will come out of the little hole up there. But we don't need to worry too much about that at the moment. We've got the bracket that holds that in place like that with 2 screws, which I'll do while I'm not trying to hold it all together. And we've got the other part of the door catch, which goes onto there with the little edge piece on there. That will go in there again with another screw holding that together. Once I've got those in, I can see about getting the door attached. I'll see how I can get that and film that. So let me do the twiddly bits and then show you the big bits. Right, that's that all attached as it should be. The door, I've got the hinge piece closed, so it should just slide in there. Oh, yeah, it does. Look. Nearly. Just about there. There we go. Then slide it in there. The switch has engaged. So that is that. Once I get it turned over and get the 2 screws in there, hold that together, that should be that, and it should open. But I can't film that because it's all at the wrong angles. So let me get that attached up, and then we'll see if the door actually opens and closes. Yep, there we go. Attached and together and very tight, but opens. And doesn't stay open when it's on this angle, but it will do when it's like that. And the window moves at least a bit. I'm sure I can do it more, but I'm not going to. So there we have another door completed. The front door is feeling a little bit wobbly, a little bit loose. So I might have to do something to see about getting that a bit tighter and more secure. But for now, that's that. Join me next time when we're prepping the back bit, which again, I'm not sure how I'm going to film. So don't see. Join me for that very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.